When you have a grand wedding celebration like this, fashion becomes a very important part of any wedding celebration. What you wear to the wedding, as far as Indian tradition and culture is concerned, becomes a very important part. Why a celebrity wedding alone? Even for a regular wedding, Indians are known to wear beautiful outfits for their wedding, and Vicky Kaushal and Katrina's is one of the biggest weddings of the year. So there's a lot of intrigue around what is Katrina going to be wearing, what is Vicky going to be wearing, all these made-to-measure suits for Vicky, what's the kind of haute couture and the ensemble that the designers have put together along with the stylists for Katrina Kaif as well. Here's a sneak peek into what the ensembles perhaps could look like.
She had the bridal glow on her face. He donned a $1 million smile. Both Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal sent a million hearts aflutter as they stepped out to leave the city to say their I do's in a 3-day-long wedding extravaganza in Rajasthan. Dressed in a mustard yellow sharara, Katrina was first seen leaving her residence and then at the airport. She kept her look simple yet elegant. The actress paired her outfit with a similar coloured dupatta and chose a set of dangling statement earrings. She wore juttis to complete her ethnic ensemble. The bride-to-be kept her hair open and opted for nude makeup. Vicky also left from his residence around the same time and was spotted at the airport wearing a printed peach shirt and brown pants. He waved and even smiled for the cameras as he made his way inside. A day before their departure from Mumbai, Katrina Kaif visited Vicky Kaushal's residence in the evening in a stunning ivory Georgette ruffled sari designed by Arpita Mehta that cost around 54,000 rupees. She teamed it with customized embroidered blouse with a plunging neckline and accessorized her look with heavy gold earrings and chunky bangles. There's been a lot of speculation on what the bride and groom-to-be will wear on their D-Day. Earlier this week, several designer outfits were seen arriving at the bride and groom's respective residences. Boxes from Falguni and Shane Peacock were delivered at Katrina's house. Her best friend and stylist Anayata Shroff Adajania is believed to have helped the actress with her outfits. Videos and photos of Vicky's sherwani wrapped in a blue fabric cover also went viral on social media. A small cutout on the cover revealed that the sherwani was designed by Kunal Rawal and will be in an off-white ivory shade. Entertainment Bureau, India Today.